Here in the US, wireless earbuds have gone way beyond just being a gadget. Whether you're commuting on the subway, hitting the gym, or just relaxing at home, the right pair of earbuds can totally upgrade your day. But here's the tricky part. Not all earbuds are made equal. Some look flashy but die after a few hours, while others surprise you with insane sound quality at half the price. That's why today on Consumer Heaven, we're breaking down the 5 best wireless earphones of 2025 that are actually worth your money here in the USA. From budget-friendly steals under $20 to feature-packed favorites, you'll find something that fits your lifestyle perfectly. Links to every product are listed in the description with Amazon's best USA deals, so you can grab yours easily. Number 5. KTG Wireless Earbuds Bluetooth 5.3 40H Playback. If long battery life is your top priority, the KTG wireless earbuds deserve your attention. With 40 hours of total playtime, these earbuds are built for busy Americans who don't want to keep charging every few hours. The LED display on the charging case shows you exactly how much power is left, which is a small but very handy feature. The IPX7 waterproof rating means you can wear them confidently while jogging, hiking, or even during sweaty gym sessions without worrying about damage. What really makes these stand out is the balanced stereo sound with deep bass, which brings life to your playlists, podcasts, and even Zoom calls. For under $20, they offer the kind of durability and functionality that makes them a reliable everyday pick for US shoppers. Number 4. JXREV Wireless Earbuds Bluetooth 5.4 32-hour playtime. If you're looking for something sleek, modern, and a little more advanced, the JXREV earbuds step it up with Bluetooth 5.4, giving you faster pairing and stable connections, ideal for those who rely on multiple devices like iPhones, Android phones, or laptops. With 32 hours of playtime and an IP7 waterproof design, these earbuds are made for sports lovers and outdoor activities. The stereo bass is powerful enough for music, yet the built-in noise-canceling mic makes calls clear, whether you're in a coffee shop in New York or taking a quick meeting from home. The USB-C mini charging case is compact enough to slide into your pocket, making these a perfect pick for students, travelers, and busy professionals across the US who need both performance and portability. Number 3. Soundcore by Anker P20i 30-hour playtime Big Bass. Now this is where things get serious. Anker is a trusted name in the US tech scene, and their P20i earbuds are an absolute steal for under $20 right now. You're getting 10mm drivers that deliver big bass, something music lovers will really appreciate. The Soundcore app integration is what makes these special. With 22 preset EQs, you can completely customize your sound experience, something you usually only see in much pricier earbuds. Add in AI-powered dual mics for crystal clear calls, and these become an amazing all-rounder for both work and play. Whether you're on a long flight, binge-watching Netflix, or just walking your dog, the 30 hours of total playtime ensures you're covered. US buyers love these because they feel like a premium product at half the price. Number 2. Cardine Wireless Earbuds Bluetooth 5.3 Deep Bass Lightweight. At just under $10, the Cardine earbuds are hands down one of the most affordable quality options available in the US market. Despite the budget price, they don't compromise much on performance. The Bluetooth 5.3 chipset provides stable connections, while the deep bass sound enhances everything from hip-hop to classical music. The built-in mics ensure your calls remain clear, making them suitable for remote work or chatting with friends on the go. They're lightweight and designed for comfort, which means you can wear them for hours during workouts or travel without irritation. For US shoppers on a tight budget who still want reliable sound, Cardine is a no-brainer pick. Number 1. Tagri Bluetooth Headphones True Wireless Earbuds 60-hour playtime. Taking the top spot is Tagri, one of the most popular budget-friendly brands in the US right now. What makes them unbeatable is the massive 60 hours of total playtime. That's almost a full week of use before you even think about charging again. The LED power display case is a lifesaver, letting you know exactly when it's time to recharge. On top of that, the case supports wireless charging, making them extremely convenient for American households where wireless charging pads are becoming more common. With an IPX5 waterproof rating, you can use them in light rain or sweaty workouts without worry. Sound quality is impressive, with clear mids, solid bass, and reliable volume levels that stay consistent even during long sessions. What really stands out here is value for money. For around $25, US buyers get durability, performance, and convenience all in one package. That's why Tagri rightly takes our #1 spot. So, there you have it, the 5 best wireless earbuds of 2025 for US buyers. Whether you're hunting for the insane battery life of Tagri, the customizable sound of Anker, or the unbeatable budget deal of Cardine, there's something here for everyone. All links to the Amazon USA deals are right below in the description. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Consumer Heaven, where we bring you the best gear, gadgets, and Amazon finds tailored for US shoppers. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.